Hello, I hope you're all doing fine. My name is Innocent CHILUMA. I'll be a tutor in Math and Science for grade 9 through 12. This is the very first episode in an indefinite series of videos that I'll be posting here regularly. It's an initiative meant to help people out there to have their own lessons, online lessons for that matter, at their own time and place. Especially with the coming of COVID-19, you may agree with me that it has permanently changed the way we do things, the way we work, the way we interact with other people, including the way we learn. Now more than ever, we are spending our time on the internet, on our phones, our computers, and other devices. So it's high time we also brought our education system online, because that's where we are spending much of our time. Our lessons will be based on the Zambian syllabus as approved by the Curriculum Development Center, but that's not to say that viewers from other parts of the world are out of the question, because if you think about the subjects that we'll be covering, they are pretty much universal. We learn algebra here in Zambian schools just as they do in schools in other countries. We learn about the digestive system, and so they do in schools in other countries. So math and science are universal, and there is no reason for anyone to feel left out. Now, I understand that I'm not really the first one to come up with this initiative. This won't be the first ever YouTube channel to offer lessons in the subjects that I've mentioned. There are perhaps hundreds or thousands of channels and videos that have done the same. So you may be wondering to say, but then what difference would this make? Well, you may think of the situation in our high schools. At a big high school, there may be several teachers in math and science, but if you were to carry out a survey amongst the pupils, you may find that some pupils are more comfortable with this math teacher than the other one. You see, so that's what makes the difference. And while you may not have come across videos done by other instructors, at least you've come across mine. So the fact that there are thousands or hundreds of tutorials about the same isn't no reason for us to feel like this isn't really necessary. There are no fees to this program. Yeah, the only thing I would ask from you, the only favor that I would ask from you is right after this program, make sure you click the subscription button so that as soon as I post something, you receive a notification and you check the contents. For you to benefit fully from this program, you need to be a regular follower of my lessons. Alright? Make sure not to skip even a single video. That way you get maximum benefits. So there are simply no fees. The only fee I'm asking is a subscription and consistency, which pretty much doesn't cost anything. For now, I'll only be taking you in math and science. I thought of starting with these subjects because they are the ones in which I feel like I have more to share, and like I said, they are universal subjects. But as we go by, probably we are going to have more educators coming on board to offer other subjects. And this channel won't be just about lessons. In time, we'll also be featuring shows, competitions such as quizzes, and many other exciting activities. So it's really something worth sticking around. I didn't really mean to bore you. This was just meant to be a brief introduction about my lessons and what you can look forward to. For now, it's goodbye and see you next time.